looked at your bank account and quietly told yourself, I work hard, I deserve this? It is one of the most common thoughts we have, and it is also one of the most expensive. Let us look at a normal reality for a young professional right now. You're making around $60,000 a year. After taxes, that leaves you with roughly $4,000 a month. Over half of that immediately vanishes into rent or a mortgage. Then comes the car payment, the credit card minimums, the student loans, and the rising cost of groceries. By the end of the month, the gap between what you earn and what you owe is incredibly narrow. The pressure of just maintaining this baseline is exhausting. So when Friday rolls around, the friction of daily life demands a release valve. You order the expensive takeout, book a trip on credit, or you finance a lifestyle upgrade. The modern economy is meticulously designed to make you feel like consumption is the only valid reward for your labor. But the I deserve this mindset is a hidden trap. Let us look at the math. If you justify spending just $300 a month on lifestyle treats to cope with work stress, you're not just losing $300. The psychology here is that we use our future freedom to pay for temporary relief today. We're essentially self-medicating our financial anxiety with more consumption. Over 10 years, that $300 a month, if placed in a basic index fund, would grow to over $50,000. But the real cost is not the lost money, it's the lost leverage. By giving in to the feeling of deserving a small treat now, you're quietly agreeing to work several more years of your life to pay for it later. Financially intelligent people do not skip these purchases because they love to suffer. They simply have a different definition of what they deserve. They believe they deserve not to panic when an unexpected bill arrives. They believe they deserve the option to walk away from a terrible boss. They view money not as a way to buy status, but as a mechanism to buy autonomy. Financial peace does not come from a new purchase. It comes from the quiet confidence of knowing you have options. If this way of thinking makes sense to you, consider subscribing.